Welcome to Mami Bibing. Please subscribe, share, like, comment, and hit the notification bell for the next video. Thank you so much, mga ka-premies. Let's continue our Davao Crocodile Farm Tour. So, nandito na naman ako. Papakita ko sa inyo ang mga iba't ibang klaseng ibon at saka mga iba't ibang klaseng mga animals. Tignan nyo naman ito si blue and yellow macaws or called as ara-ararauna doing his exhibition or nagpapasikat siya kasi kinakausap ko siya. Actually guys, in this park, in Davao Crocodile Park, there are a lot of birds, but unfortunately I deleted the video, so ito na lang yung natira na mga video sa akin sa mga birds. The more people na nanonood sa kanya, the more he would show his talent, the more siya na nagpapasikat. So this one is an eagle. If you want to take some photo and video, you need to pay. So ako nag-touch na lang. So kung magpa-picture ka, dapat naka-gloves ka kasi their claws and their beak is so sharp. This is the peacock showing his magnificent colorful feathers. Wala na, no more. And this one, he opens his wide, colorful feathers. Yahoo! Ganda! Guys, did you see ang mga people na nasa taas? Pwede kang umakyat dyan at saka down there, sumilip kasi yan yung cage ng mga lions and tigers. Umakyat ako dyan and nag-video, but unfortunately, I deleted the video. Maligo na siya. He wants to bathe. Bigit mo daw. Why? Look at the tiger dive. He beats. So, ginayin mo natin yung iba. And you know guys, ang cage ng tiger at saka ng lion nakadoble-doble talaga para hindi sila makatakas at manghabol. There you go, the king of the jungle, Mr. Lion. Siya na naman ang pumalit kay Mr. Tiger, pero siya stay put lang, walang kakurap-kurap. Tingnan mo, baby. Tingnan mo, baby. Where's her scar? Where's the scar? I have a trivia, guys. Did you know that the urine scent of the tiger will last for several days? Kaya, if you go to the zoo and then maihian kayo ng tiger, for sure, ang amoy nito ay matagal mawala kasi several days pa ang kanyang stay sa katawan mo. Ay, nag-sit na siya, That is lioness because she is a girl. The lion is in the cage. Palm Tibet. Look, he's eating fruits. Oh, he's ashamed. He's ashamed. Look dong. Oh, look dong. I don't know what animal is that. Can you comment down below mga ka-premis kung anong animal yan? Para siyang giant cat ang hitsura ng hayop na ito, ng animal na ito. They have also this koi pond, and if you want to feed the fish, pwede kang bumili doon sa kanilang kiosk. Wait lang, Day. You wanna touch? Day. Aray, kasakit! Wala nang ito, nag-adugo na good. Oh, wait lang! Ay! Grabe naman, gentle lang. Aray ko, wala na! Bigyan, una lang nato bigyan, basi na, ginuo ko. Dito ka na. Naglampas. Lalagi, tulak ka yan. By the way pala guys, if you want to feed the rabbit, may kiosk doon para makabili ka ng carrot.
Gusto ko bigyan yung isa doon, no?
Okay. Ay, kakiyap nila magkaon. Gikuha na niya.
Share.
Share lang.
Share mo.
Gikuha niya. Wala na. Ayaw na niya mag-share. Kinuha niya lahat.
Share.
Wala na. No more. Sorry. Ay, yung ears ko. Dilig yun.
Wake up.
And they have also this mini playground. Kasi if you're tired of roaming around looking for the animals, then you should better stay here together with your kids. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, comment, and hit the notification bell for the next video. Thank you so much. God bless everyone. Bye!